Hello guys, it's Mukbe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add spotlight video in Snapchat. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on your profile. Once you're there, you simply scroll down and you click on what add to spotlight. After that, you simply record the video you want to make. After doing that, you leave it and you can add a capture or you can add something like hello, good day. Once you're done with that, you can simply send to your snap. So I'll click to send to, after which I can place it on my status or only my friend should view the status. So I'm going to say only my friend to view the status. I'll click on that. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on what send. So guys, we are just adding a video in our spotlight. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial.